Have you ever wondered how websites are made? It might seem like magic, but it is a skill you can learn. Web development is the work of building websites and putting them on the internet. In today's world, almost everything is online. Businesses have websites to sell their products. People have blogs to share ideas. We use websites to learn, to shop, and to connect with friends. Knowing how to build a website is a very powerful skill. It lets you create your own space on the internet. You start with a blank page and you build something amazing. You can see your work come to life right on your screen. This journey might seem long, but every expert was once a beginner. The most important thing is to start. This guide will give you some simple tips to help you on your way. We will break down big ideas into small, easy steps. You do not need to be a genius to learn this. You just need to be curious and willing to try. Are you ready to begin your adventure in web development? Let's unlock your potential and start building the web together. The very first thing you need to learn in web development is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It gives the web page its structure. You use HTML to add all the content, like text, images, and links. Text, images, links. Every single website on the internet uses HTML. HTML uses things called tags to structure the content. Most tags come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. For example, you use to start a paragraph and to end it. You use for the most important heading. And for subheadings, you can see your results immediately, which is very motivating for a beginner. It shows you that you can really build something. HTML is the fundamental building block. It's a great first step because it's easy to understand. Next, we will add style with CSS to make things look great. Once you understand HTML, the next step is to learn CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. If HTML is the skeleton of your website, then CSS is the clothing. It is what makes your website look good. Colors, fonts, spacing, and layout of your web page. Without CSS, all websites would look very plain, just black text on a white background. CSS lets you be a designer. You can choose colors and fonts for your brand. CSS works by selecting HTML elements and applying styles to them. You write CSS rules, a selector and a declaration block. Let's say you have an H1 heading and a paragraph. Create a file called style.css and write rules like H1, color blue, and P font, family, Arial. Link the CSS file using link.rel as style sheet, tref =quote style.cs quote in the head of your HTML. Reload your page and you'll see the styles apply